The Animal Legal Defense Fund is giving a voice to animals where it's most needed, in the courtroom. So as we make an effort to increase the amount of people who are moving towards a vegan diet and reducing the animals used for food, the best way to do that is to reach consumers who are not currently eating this way. Plant-Based Solutions is a business focused on providing branding and marketing support to increase access to plant-based foods. We work with two kinds of businesses. First, we work with manufacturers that are making delicious, healthy, and affordable plant-based food products to help them market them to consumers. And second, we work with businesses, food service businesses in particular, like restaurants, to help them expand their options to reach the growing number of consumers who are seeking these foods and help them grow their businesses. I've been vegan for quite a while, and I made the transition to a vegan diet because I realized that it was the greatest way that I could impact the world. I was concerned about so many social justice issues, and still am. But the one difference that I can make, that I know will make a difference, is every time I sit down to eat, I can choose foods that are great for my health, great for the planet, and great for the animals. I'm most passionate about reducing the use of animals for food. I think that it not only affects animals, but also our health and the environment, and it's something we all have a part in. I can't necessarily personally stop animal testing, though I'd love to, but I can make a difference with every single bite I take and every time I spend $1 at the grocery store.